Hi, everybody. My name's Nav. I'm 43 years young, and I am a mother of two, a beautiful 19-year-old and a little young, vibrant 10-year-old boy. Um, I'm a working mom, working from home, and I've got both kids at school at home. So it's pretty busy in the household. So life before joining R3, I had a really bad negative self-image about myself. I didn't really feel good. I felt overweight. Believe it or not, I felt ugly when I looked in the mirror. I didn't really like what I see. And I did a lot of mindless eating and drinking. Like I never really thought about what I was eating or drinking. And I made a lot of excuses. Why not to do anything about it? I'll start on Monday, or whatever I do, nothing's going to happen. My energy levels were low. I wasn't very positive about things. I tried a lot of things to lose weight. I did Slim Fast, which is probably one of the only dieting things I did. I ran, I did boot camp, I did CrossFit. In most cases, everything worked. CrossFit, not so much. I lost weight, but I was never able to keep it off. So joining R3 actually was pretty godsend when I reflect and think about how I got to where I am. I was feeling down and depressed. I really didn't feel like myself. Everything I ate was giving me stomach pains, and like I would have a really bad feeling in my stomach, and then that just made me even more down and depressed and less energy. I actually went on a family vacation in April of 2019 to Jamaica. And I'm actually still embarrassed to look at some of those pictures. I just didn't like what I see. I kind of felt like blobby. They just weren't pretty at all. And I was actually doing CrossFit at the time, and I was seeing no results. This ad popped up on Facebook, and I met with Coach Crystal in the studio, and instantly, like, the ladies were working out behind me and the coaches were screaming, but everybody looked like they were having a great time and cheering each other on. And I instantly felt welcome and just part of a family. So the benefits of being online, I know you guys are thinking online, does it really work? And believe you me, I was very reluctant. When I joined R3, I joined in person, and that's what really attracted me. I'm a people person, and the in-class format got me really excited to work out. Seeing the ladies in the evening and just chatting about our day and our kids, it got me really excited to get into the gym. And then when we moved to the online platform, the coaches didn't miss a step. I think they were up and running within a week. I think March 15th, we went into lockdown. And by the 21st of March, they were already doing online classes. They had guest coaches come in to keep it interesting. We had people from around the world. We had Zumba dance classes. It was just amazing. We also had Zoom classes, so I could always see and talk to the great friends and mentors I met at the R3 studio. They even held outdoor classes once it was safe to do so, and they did it safely. At no point did I feel my health was at risk or I was putting anybody else at risk, which was great. We still continue to have our coaching calls, but in this case, they were, shifted a little bit. They focused on the struggles that we were facing in a pandemic, which was great because, a lot of us, we were stuck in our homes. We had no social contact. And to have the coaching calls focused on sort of our mental health during lockdown was really useful. And in a time of uncertainty, I absolutely had a place to turn. Some of the results that I've seen since joining R3. So I joined R3 in May of 2019. I've lost close to 30 pounds, 30 inches. I never thought I could do that. I feel good about the way I look. I get excited to get into pictures. I'm here. I have a lot more energy. I can keep up with my kids. I could do my workout as well as play with them and clean the house and get some cooking done. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I never thought I would wake up at 6 to work out. Never thought I was a morning person, but I thoroughly enjoy it. It's my me time. So I'm up at 6 to work out. And I'm actually excited about my new goal. My new goal is to wear a bikini confidently. I've never been confident enough to do that. So that's sort of my new target. And I'm only able to achieve that with the results that I've had at R3. If you're nervous about joining, R3 is a completely safe environment. Everything is kept sort of within our circle. You get support from the coaches, but you also get wonderful support from the peers. Like I said, I've made some great friends and some mentors there that not necessarily the coaches, like it's just the ladies that are in the classroom. It's always fresh and fun. Sometimes when the coaches teach, it's so funny when Coach Nelson makes a little boo-boo, makes you laugh a little bit. So it's always fun. And honestly, you have nothing to lose but pounds and inches. You must be wondering kind of why now, like why join now during the pandemic? Honestly, I never realized how important like a healthy mindset was to my overall health and well-being. And going through this unprecedented time, I found that R3 provided me with the tools to keep a healthy mindset. There were many times I just wanted to, give up. It's kind of depressing being kind of all by yourself and not to be able to socially interact. And I just want to crawl under a blanket. But this awesome tribe of beautiful people, they had my back during these tough times. They're always checking up on you, whether they had to or not, whether it was a Zoom call or a gym call, but, even behind the scenes, people were always reaching out and make sure you were okay. So if you're at all feeling depressed or anxious or feel like you have no energy or just need a change from your regular boring workout routine, I'm telling you, R3 is the place for you. The support system here is unreal. Workouts are important for your fitness and weight loss goals, but it's a lot more than that. You need to have the right mindset and make the right choices to fuel your body to keep that weight off for good. And R3 provides it all.